Hello students, in the last class we learned about to draw the areas of different triangles, and we also learned a principle also. What is that principle? Yes, all triangles with the same base and the third vertex on a line parallel to the base have the same area. That means if we draw a number of triangles in between two parallel lines with the same base and the triangles have the same area. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is quadrilateral and triangle. In 8th standard we learned different types of quadrilaterals. For example, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, etc. And we also learn to calculate their areas also. But here we are going to draw a quadrilateral. You know that quadrilateral has not a proper shape. So listen. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. We don't know how to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. So to find the area of this quadrilateral, we have to convert this quadrilateral into another triangle of the same area. So there are some steps to convert the triangle of the same area. So first step is draw a quadrilateral ABCD. First step is draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Here we drawn the quadrilateral ABCD. Next step is draw a diagonal AD. Draw diagonal AD. Now this quadrilateral split into two triangles. So it is triangle 1 and this one is triangle 2. First step is draw a quadrilateral. The next step is draw a diagonal of that quadrilateral. Now this diagonal divides a quadrilateral into two triangles. Now the third step is draw a line through the fourth vertex of this quadrilateral, which is the fourth vertex B. So draw a line through the fourth vertex of the quadrilateral, which is parallel to the diagonal. So in last class we learned that if we draw a triangle in between two parallel lines with the same base, then the area of those triangles are equal. Here these are two parallel lines. These are two parallel lines. Here we draw two triangles in between these two parallel lines, and base of these two triangles are equal. Therefore the areas of these two triangles are also equal. So by using this principle, we have to draw a parallel line through the vertex B, and which is parallel to AD. Now here AD and this line are parallel lines. So first step is draw a quadrilateral. Second step, draw a diagonal. Then third step, draw a line through the fourth vertex of this quadrilateral, which is parallel to the diagonal. That is the third step. Then fourth step is extend the baseline. Here which is the base, CD is the base. So extend the baseline in which it touches the previous line that we drawn. So it is E. Extend the baseline CD up to E. First step is draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Second step is draw a diagonal. Third step is draw a line through the fourth vertex of the quadrilateral which is parallel to the diagonal. And fourth step is extend the baseline up to E. And fifth step, the last step is join the third vertex of the quadrilateral and E. Join A and E. So our steps are completed. Now listen to here. Here listen. Here it is triangle 1. This triangle, and these two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines, and in between these two parallel lines, the two triangles are there. First triangle is T2, and another triangle is triangle ADE. That is T3. Triangle T3. Now the areas of these triangles are equal. That is T2 equal to T3. Areas of these two triangles are equal. Why? Because these two triangles are lies in between these two parallel lines, and base of these two triangles are same. That is AD. Therefore, the areas of these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle AED, are equal. So T2 equal to T3, and quadrilateral ABCD equal to T1 plus T2. That is, the area of quadrilateral is equal to the area of these two triangles. That's T1 plus T2, and here T2 is equal to T3. So we can say that T1 plus T3. That is quadrilateral ABCD. The area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to T1 plus T3. That is ABCD in the area, ഏത് ഏരിയക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? ACE എന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. Then let's shade the second triangle. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ACE. So first step is draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Next step is draw a diagonal. First you draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Next step is draw a diagonal, and third step is draw a line through the fourth vertex of this quadrilateral which is parallel to the diagonal. Draw a line through the fourth vertex of the quadrilateral which is parallel to the diagonal. Then fourth step is extend the baseline up to E. Extend the baseline CD up to E. Then last step, join A and E. Here there are two triangles formed, triangle ABD and triangle ADE. So areas of these two triangles are equal. Why? Because these two triangles are lies in between two parallel lines, and base of these two triangles are also equal. Therefore, areas of these two triangles are equal. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to the area of triangle ACE. Clear? Now listen to in your textbook there is a question. Question is, Draw the two quadrilaterals shown below in your notebook. Draw triangles of the same area and calculate the areas. So first quadrilateral is given. You first draw the quadrilaterals. So question is draw triangles of the same area. So we have to draw another triangle and the area of that triangle should be equal to the area of this quadrilateral. So we already discussed some steps. So, based on those steps you have to draw. Okay. So first step is draw a quadrilateral. So here the measures are given. Base is 5 centimeter. So you first draw base 5 centimeter. Then angle given is 80 degree. So by using protractor, place your protractor in the first vertex. Angle is 80 degree. And join the line, and the length of this line is 3 centimeter. This angle is 80 degree. Now again here the another angle is given, that is 100 degree. By using your protractor, place your protractor in this point and mark 100 degree. So you count from 0. This angle is 100 degree and join. Given the length of this line is 4 centimeter and join the other two ends. Now our first step is completed, that is our quadrilateral is completed. Then second step is draw its diagonal. So you draw its diagonal. Third step is draw a line through the fourth vertex of this quadrilateral which is parallel to the diagonal. So you have to draw a line through this point which is parallel to the diagonal. Then fourth step is extend the base line. Your base is 5 centimeter. Place your scale in this line and extend straightly up to this point. And the last step is join these two vertices, the third vertex of the quadrilateral and this point. Now the area of the quadrilateral is equal to the area of this triangle, and shade that triangle. Now there is another question, calculate the area. So you should calculate the area of this quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is equal to the area of this triangle. So you have to calculate the area of triangle. Area equal to half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? Here the measurement is not correct. So you draw this figure in your notebook by using correct measurement. Okay. And calculate the length of the base of the triangle. And write that length here, base, into height. Which is the height? Height must be perpendicular, and you can draw a line, perpendicular line here, and calculate the height. By using those measurements you should calculate the area of this triangle. Okay. Then second figure. So it is the second figure. So first you have to draw this quadrilateral and convert the area of this quadrilateral into the area of triangle. Okay, so first step is draw quadrilateral. Base is 8.5. Use correct measurement. Base is 8.5 centimeter. Then first you draw triangle ABC. So base is 8.5. Then other two sides of the triangle ABC is 6 and 7.5. So by using your compass, from first point you draw 6 centimeter. Then from here it is 7.5 centimeter. Now join the other two ends of the base. So first triangle is completed, then form the next triangle. So from C to D 5 centimeter and B to D it is 4.5 centimeter. Again by using compass, BD length is 4.5, CD is 5 centimeter. Six centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So first step is draw a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is completed. Second step is draw its diagonal. Here diagonal, second step is also completed. Then third step is draw a line through the fourth vertex of this quadrilateral which is parallel to the diagonal. Draw a parallel line. Okay. The next step, extend the baseline. Extend the baseline up to this point. Then last step is join the other two vertices. Now a triangle is formed here, ABC. The area of this quadrilateral is equal to the area of the triangle ABC. Now shade such a part. Here also we have to calculate the area. So you find out its base, half into B into H. Find out the length of AB and right here, and height. Which is the height here? Yes, it is perpendicular length. Mark a perpendicular line and calculate the length by using your scale and write that measure here and calculate its area. Okay, that's all in today's class.